future millionaires, and welcome back to Novice Investing Guide. Are you curious about growing your money, but aren't ready to jump into stocks yet? Mutual funds might just be the beginner-friendly investment you're looking for. In today's video, we'll break down mutual funds in simple terms, explain how they work, and show you how to get started. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll feel confident taking your first steps into investing. You are watching Novice Investing Guide.
First, let's answer the big question. What is a mutual fund? Imagine a big pool of money collected from many investors. This pool is managed by professionals who invest it in a mix of stocks, bonds, or other assets. Essentially, you're joining forces with other investors to achieve your financial goals. Here's how it works. You buy units or shares of the mutual fund. The value of these units is called the net asset value, or NAV, which fluctuates based on the fund's performance. When the assets grow in value, so does your investment.
Mutual funds come in different flavors to suit your goals. Here are the three main types. Equity funds. Invest in stocks, ideal for long-term growth. Debt funds. Focus on safer, fixed-income securities, perfect for stability. Hybrid funds. A mix of both, balancing growth and risk.
Why choose mutual funds? They offer diversification, meaning your money isn't tied to a single investment. They're also managed by experts, so you don't need to be a financial wizard. Plus, you can start small. Some funds accept investments as low as $500 or $50 monthly through SIPs, systematic investment plans.
Ready to invest? Here's how to start. Research funds that align with your goals. Open an account with a trusted investment platform or broker. Start with small amounts, especially if you're a beginner. Monitor your investments regularly, but don't panic over short-term changes.
Before we wrap up, here are a few pro tips. Avoid trying to time the market. Focus on long-term growth. Compare expense ratios to ensure you're not overpaying fees. And most importantly, have patience. Wealth building takes time. That's it for today's beginner's guide to mutual funds. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more investing tips, and comment below with your questions. Thanks for watching and happy investing.